Good afternoon. I'd like to welcome you to CNFT's afternoon wrap-up of our trade recommendation made in the T-note at 6:45 a.m. on August the 13th. Day session opens at 7:20 Central Time. Had plenty of time to put the trade on. We came in today really wanting to be buyers, and we hoped the news was as forecast so we'd be able to buy on the cheap. And we were buyers because of the 10-year auction, and the primary dealers will support the market to move that paper. As it turns out, the retail sales news was much weaker than forecast, and the market rallied. So we had this little white line right here. We like to buy or sell against it. The market came up, retested this white line, which held. The breakout trade retested in that first bar's hold, which is where the news took the market, held as support, and we were long at 30, and the market traded to 126, 2.5. So you got your 3 ticks, maybe 4 if you traded perfectly. We started off wanting to sell the 31 to 03 area. We moved it up to 03 to 07. The high was 2.5. We got short at a half, and the market traded down to 29.5. So you had a shot at 1 to 2 30 seconds on that trade. We had nothing but buying in our pain number 3. And so we were trading from the long sides. The news was better than forecast. 10-year auction, financials, trade fundamentals, so we weren't really interested in the short side until we got a retest failure. And the market was still making new highs. So in this situation, we're long at the buck. 126 even. The market trades up to 5 for a shot at 3 to 4 30 seconds. Normally we take 3 30 seconds on these trades. If you'd known that 5 was going to be the high, you could have gotten 4. But that's a little hard to know when the market's moving. Right here is the first setup to the short side. We wanted to sell 3s to 7. It was a little bit below it. We got short at 2.5. The market held against 126.01. No chance to make any money, so we scratched that trade. So out of 4 trades, we had 3 winners, 2 for our expected 330 seconds, 1 for 130 seconds, which gave us a total 730 seconds, about $219 per position, and we had 1 scratch. Pretty good trading day, 730 seconds for the note. I'd like to be able to do that day in and day out. If you'd like to know more about us, CN Futures Trading, please come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our website, you'll get an overview of the software, our trading methodology, and our educational programs. To further encourage your taking a look at us, we offer you 5 free days in the main trading room. In our main trading room, we cover crude, gold, the euro, the 30-year bond, the 10-year note, and the E-mini. Looking forward to seeing you in our room for your 5-day free trial, and until that point and time, we wish you good trading.